I had a meeting with the World Bank. And the World Bank made a request for me. It was surprising. And they told me, is there any way you guys, and they sent me to CS Kuria and the president, can share the credit score coming from Hustler Fund to be the universal score of everybody in the country, including commercial bank, because it's the fairest, it's the cleanest. Everybody, even those people who are in CRB, were given a fresh chance to start from zero, and to a point whereby World Bank, no less than World Bank, is saying now, because now we have repaired, people have, what I always say, that every sinner has a future and every angel has a past, that we give everybody a new beginning and a new chance. And because in 8 short months, we have now managed to come up with a score which World Bank now want to say, for any lending we want to do in Kenya, we can now use this score, the same score that we are now going to use to ensure that this single digit on the Hustler Fund is the same one we're giving to our border people. For our electric bikes, people who are used to paying 60% more, that they can now repay, zero deposit, single digit, and with social health insurance from my sister Susan, all embedded there. And you say we are not working.